Well, I think you came to watch this video because you watched or you listened to the leak recording of Kiza Besigye, which he was planning to buy drone to counter helicopter. Yes, some people are saying it is artificial intelligence. Some people are saying it is true, Kiza Besigye said. But all in all, this vlog is to bring for you an informative perspective of entertainment of the nature of the aircraft known as drones, which can attack helicopters. And then this could be one of the options that Kiza Besigye would be opting to buy. Let's go. Well, we were there looking for things here and there, watching Museveni, watching Boy Wine clashed with each other. Yep, but then somebody was playing something in the ground. That is Dr. Kiza Besigye, who got abducted from Kenya, surely breaking international treaty of making somebody to be abducted by foreign military in your own country. So that's why some people are now calling Kenya a Ugandan district. But then, quote me right, I have not yet said that Kiza Besigye is wrong, because that can only happen until he is proven guilty by the court. And also there's a question of whether Ugandan court or Kenyan court should be the ones to proceed with the trial. Anyway, let's look at drones that could take down helicopters. We have a lot of drones which can take down helicopters. But then here we're going to look at the top 6 publicly known. We must remember that innovation are changing day and night. Over the next few decades, I don't know where we are going to be. But for now, even Kiza Besigye, remember Kiza Besigye is among the Bush war fighters. He was with those of Museveni in the National Resistance Army. So he knows what is the major challenge. And I think with his experience, he knows that the major challenge is countering helicopters. That is the helos. So he wants the unmanned aerial aircraft. That is the drones. So here we go. Well, the first one is what is called Bayraktar Akinci. The origin is Turkey. Its major capability, it is armed with air-to-air missiles. Like the Gogdogan or Gosdogan. It can engage helicopters and other aerial objects so easily. So this could be one of the best options that can attack helicopters. The second one, which comes from the United States of America, is known as the MQ-9 Reaper. The MQ-9 Reaper is a military drone equipped with a high-hem 9 sidewinder missiles or stringers which attacks air to air. It is designed primarily for ground attacks, but it is very capable of destroying helicopters. Well, the third one is what is called Wing Lung 2. As you already see the name, Wing Lung 2, or Wing Lung the second means made in China. Wing Lung the second is equipped with precision guided bomb and air-to-air missile. It can easily target helicopter during mission and then strip it down, crash it properly without. Well, the fourth one is the Kratos XQ-58A Valkyria. Its origin is the USA. It is a stealth drone that can carry air-to-air missiles. It is designed for combat missions, including aerial engagements or aerial strikes. So the helicopter pilot would be there thinking he's a genius, oh, he's good, but then you go with your Kratos remotely, nobody inside, and then you sink that person in the head. Israeli Harrow or the high. This is a loitering munition that can crash into the helicopter so easily. It is particularly effective in target stationary or hovering helicopter. Well, the sixth one is what is called kamikaze drone. Well, for the people who are from central Uganda, that is the Baganda, they may think that I'm pronouncing wrongly. They may think it's supposed to be pronounced chamichaji, but it is kamikaze. The best example is Switchblade 600 and then Lancet. This is a suicide drone designed to strike directly into the target, including helicopters on the ground or the ones which are hovering. Meaning, if you use this drone, it will. You need to buy another one. You use it once, the suicide drone. It will also crash together with the helicopter that you are attacking. It is always deployed for precision strikes on vulnerable targets. So these are the 6 drones that you need to know, because it's a blog, it's information available. You need to research. That's our brief research. Nobody, in Uganda things are funny. Nobody should quote us that we are helping the opposition or maybe alleged rebel group somewhere to overthrow the government. But then, since it is a trendy thing, people would like to know more information about every little thing that is being mentioned. And those are the ones. Thank you so much. Hope you're subscribed to Acholi ITV. And if you have done, I love you so much. We will meet